How to reset Messenger PIN code to sync chat history. In order to reset the Messenger PIN code, just go ahead and open the Messenger app. Before that, make sure you have updated the application from Play Store or App Store in order to enjoy the latest features on it. And then tap on the three-line icon at the top left corner of the screen. On the side panel, you need to select the gear icon at the top right corner in order to access the settings page. Now on this page, you need to select privacy and safety, which is under preferences. And now once you're on this privacy and safety page, you need to search for end-to-end encrypted chats, which is under security. Now once you're on this page, you need to select message storage option so that you can manage how you store and access your chat history. So now once you are on this section, finally you got the option to reset the pin, which is under the security methods. You can select reset pin, where you can make the memorable pin code here, and you will need it when you switch to a new device. So simply you can create a 6-digit code here. After you enter the PIN code, you need to confirm your PIN and then select the submit button at the top right corner of the screen. So now our PIN has successfully created and it has been reset on the Messenger. So this is how we reset Messenger PIN code to sync chat history. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from our channel.